Hello and welcome to a very special unboxing. Not just because my cat is here. She actually won't leave me alone, so I figured why not just leave her on the table. But I have a rather interesting box. Not only is it quite large, but it actually has a word on it that not many of you might be familiar with, and that is Adorama. Who, or rather what, is Adorama? Adorama is a huge retailer of high-end audio, video, and optical equipment. And in their optical equipment includes scopes. So, backtrack. A couple weeks ago, I was contacted by two members of Adorama, and they were very polite and very nice and said, "Hey, look, we love your videos. We love how you do reviews. Would you be interested in doing reviews?" And I said, "Reviews of what?" Obviously, I don't want to leave anything to chance as far as me having a guess and being wrong. They said, "We have a huge supply of optics for firearms. What would you like to review?" Like, I would like to review all of it, but what are the terms? Like, what do you want? They said, nothing. We just want you to review some scopes. That was basically it. They didn't ask me or tell me that I have to push their product or I have to push their name. They just said, "We love your reviews. We want to help you." How could you turn that down? I always was worried that one day a company would come to me and say, "Hey, look, we want you to review our product and we want you to give a great word about our product no matter what." I don't really like that, because if I don't like it or if the product is not great, I don't want someone feeling bad about it, and I don't want to insult anybody with it. Adorama so far has said just, "Hey, do what you want." So, huge thank you to Adorama for this. I don't know if this is going to expand into anything larger. It would be really cool to see something like that happen, whereas I can get discount codes for all of you guys, the viewers, eventually. I think that would be really cool. Because why the hell not? You know? So without further ado, what is inside the box? Well, to start, they said pick out any two scopes from our lineup that you want to review that are in stock and shipped for free, and we'll get it out to you as soon as possible. So this arrived in the mail yesterday, and I wanted to first unbox the actual Adorama box and see what's inside. So, without further ado, let's crack this baby open and see what's inside. So, right off the bat, this is not tape. This is actually printed onto the cardboard. So that's a really cool feature that I like from Adorama. It's not just a regular box that has just regular brown tape or clear tape on it. It is actually a stamped on box. You can see from here, I thought this was tape. It is not. It is actually part of the cardboard. Really cool on their behalf. I think it's really nice that they went the extra distance. Even though one thing is, if someone does know what Adorama or who Adorama are, and they see this box sitting outside on your porch, it's going to be a big old target. Safety seal over here. The photography people. Cool little touch. So, cuppies, do not move while I slice this box open with a razor blade. Oop, that was horrible. I'm trying not to go too deep. I don't want to scratch what's inside. And I am a righty, so doing anything with my left hand is quite difficult. So not packed the best, but I'll give it, I guess, a pass. Gonna hide the packing slip for now. What do we have in the box? Well, a BSA Sweet 17. Why did I choose this? Well, it's $107. And I wanted to see, after I did my friend's Athlon Talos, what $107 will buy you in a scope. Will it be any good? That's going to be a good question to answer. And I'm looking forward to that video. And next is something that I've been wanting to get my hands on for a while, and a lot of people have actually asked for, and with good reason. A Leopold, but not just any Leopold. VX Freedom 1.5 to 4. I opted for the Pigplex. Why? Because it's the most, in my opinion, the most ballistically sound. I'm really interested to see what this looks like and how this operates. Right off the bat, this box feels like it's empty. It's so light. Really, really cool. This is about 200 bucks. No, this is 250. I think the duplex goes down as low as 200. It's got a 1-inch tube, but that's a good thing as far as weight goes because it keeps the weight down. As far as brightness goes, this would be might be a little bit darker than a 30 millimeter, non-illuminated, just a very basic scope. But this might be an awesome budget LPVO, and I'm very excited to look at this. So here we have our two optic choices. Now I'm not going to open these up just yet, but I will do in time, and I am going to do my normal unboxing as well as my normal first person optic review on both of these. Now, I have to say thank you very much for Adorama. That's the whole reason for this video, really. I don't want to make it sound like I'm plugging them and I want, like, you guys have to go there. I just want to say a big thank you to them because this is really a dream come true. With the exception of a few very kind and generous patron providers that have lent scopes to me, everything before that I've reviewed has been bought and paid for with my own money. And with all of your support, all of you Patreon providers. I don't get anything from YouTube. I don't monetize the channel. And I don't ever plan on doing that. Oh, I know. Aw. So this video is really for Adorama and for all of you to know what's going on. Because I don't want anyone thinking that I've been bought out. That's not how I do things. That's never how I intend to do things. And I never plan on doing anything like that. But Adorama has been super gracious enough to reach out to me and get my attention to do these reviews. And if everything goes good, I can see myself having a very stable future with them as far as getting basically whatever scope that they have available for review. And if everything goes good, I would really love to have some sort of discount code for all of you guys to shop there, because why the hell not? That would be fantastic. So thank you very much for watching, and Adorama, thank you so much again for sending these over. I'm very, very happy and excited to get this show on the road. So thank you very much again, and thank you all for watching. Bye, cuppies. Say bye. Oh, okay. She's done. Yeah. She's gonna go sleepy now. Bye-bye.